Very good morning, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is SR Academy of Chemistry. So, dear students, today we can discuss a very general topic, that is physical properties of aldehyde, ketone, and carboxylic acid. Which kind of physical property shown by aldehyde, ketone, and carboxylic acid? क्योंकि एग्जाम में इसके ऊपर उतना ज्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं रहता, बट फिर भी सिलेबस में है करके हमको इस टॉपिक को लेना पड़ेगा अच्छे से। तो हम लोग इसको क्या करेंगे, आज सिर्फ पीपीटी थ्रू इसको हम लोग स्टडी करेंगे कि क्या क्या होता है। जो चीजें ब्लैक बोर्ड की जरूरत पड़ा तो हम लोग इसका क्या करेंगे, ब्लैक बोर्ड पे जस्टिफिकेशन देंगे। सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. So first point we can discuss about the physical property, that is nature of intermolecular force. Right? So which type of force present in aldehyde, ketone as well as carboxylic acid? You'll just see the PPT. Now here aldehyde and ketone consist of dipole-dipole interaction as a major force. Which force? You just see here. Aldehyde and ketone consist of dipole-dipole interaction. These are the force which is present in aldehyde and ketone. Right? Dipole-dipole interaction. You just see these forces, that is dipole-dipole interaction. Right. Now in carboxylic acid, just see which type of force are present in carboxylic acid. So in carboxylic acid, there is a presence of hydrogen bonding. Which force present? There is a presence of hydrogen bonding in carboxylic acid. Now, what is the difference between dipole-dipole interaction and hydrogen bonding? Just we can see in the blackboard. Right. So if you see the intermolecular forces, so in aldehyde and ketone, there is the presence of dipole-dipole interaction. Aldehydes and ketones. So aldehyde consists of this carbonyl group, right? Yes, R, H, the general structure of aldehyde, and ketone consists of two alkyl groups. That is the difference with the aldehyde and ketone. Right. So in aldehyde, this carbonyl group is called as polar group. This bond will be situated here. This can acquire partial negative. This can acquire partial positive. Here also, this bond shifted here. Here it can acquire partial negative. Carbon can acquire partial positive. Now suppose we just take two molecule of aldehyde. मैंने दो molecule aldehyde ले लिया. RC double bond OH. Now here also I can take another molecule RC double bond OH. These are two aldehyde molecules. Now, if we introduce polarity, this oxygen can acquire partial negative, this carbon can acquire partial positive. This carbon can acquire partial positive, the oxygen can acquire partial negative. Means here in between CO bond there is a polarity, negative pole and positive pole, means it consists of dipole. Now if we interact with the two aldehyde molecule, between them the negative charge of this molecule can attract towards the positive charge of this, and this type of interaction is called as dipole interaction. So in aldehyde, which type of interaction are present? Dipole. Similarly in ketone also, RCr O minus C plus. Here also RCr O minus C plus. Here also dipole interaction. Means in aldehyde and ketone, the major force which holds two molecules are nothing but dipole interaction. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा force एक दूसरे को hold करके रखता है? The force are nothing but dipole interaction. Right. Now, if we consider in acid, the acid का general structure क्या है? RC double bond OH. Right. So in acid, the carbonyl group also present as well as the hydroxy group are present. Now, if you consider two hydroxy group, two carbonyl group, we can consider two OH is the one carboxylic acid group when interact with the another carboxylic acid RC double bond O. Here, suppose we can write in this way. So in between this, oxygen atom of this carboxylic acid can interact, because here also presence of carbon positive and oxygen negative. Right, here also present of H positive and O negative. Here also. Right. So here also there is an interaction, and this interaction is nothing but hydrogen bonding. दूसरा बॉन्डिंग हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. यहाँ पे कार्बोनिल ग्रुप है, यहाँ भी हो सकता है, but here due to presence of hydrogen in acid it It consists of hydrogen bonding. So we can say that the major intermolecular force present in aldehyde and ketone is dipole-dipole interaction, and in case of carboxylic acid, the force is nothing but hydrogen bonding. I hope you can understand this point. Next, move on the next point. So you just see hydrogen bonding present in acid, in aldehyde and ketone there is a presence of dipole-dipole interaction. So I hope you can understand this intermolecular force. Here you just see this dipole-dipole interaction are shown in this diagram, and here there is a showing of hydrogen bonding. So in this way we can say that in aldehyde and ketone there is a intermolecular force it consists of dipole-dipole interaction, but in case of acid the major force is a hydrogen bonding, and then hence hydrogen bonding is more stronger compared to the dipole-dipole interaction. Always keep in mind. Next we can move on the physical state of aldehyde and aldehyde, ketone and acid. So next move on the physical state of aldehyde, ketone as well as acid. The first you just observe. First of all, you just observe the formaldehyde. The formaldehyde, that is CHO. It consists of, it is present in the form of gases at room temperature and irritating odor. Right now, when you inhale the formaldehyde, you can feel somewhat irritating. मतलब चिड़चिड़ापन आ जाने लगता है. Second one is acetaldehyde. You just see about the acetaldehyde. In acetaldehyde, you can see acetaldehyde is a volatile colorless liquid. So formaldehyde is a gas, but acetaldehyde is a liquid. Acetaldehyde always present in the form of liquid, जबकि formaldehyde इस form में रहता है, it is always present in the form of gas. Higher aldehyde are pleasant odor. Higher aldehyde जो रहता है उसका क्या रहता है? Pleasant odor. So this is all about the aldehyde. Now next move on the ketone. Acetone is the simplest ketone. Acetone is present in the form of liquid at room temperature, and it also having the pleasant odor. Acetone का order क्या रहता है? Pleasant, and it is a liquid at room temperature. Higher ketones are blended order, means it is also present in a liquid state. तो ज्यादा इसमें डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया नहीं है. If we consider about the carboxylic acid, lower carboxylic acid up to 9 carbon. This point you must remember. How many carbon? Up to 9 carbon are colorless liquid. इस फॉर्म में रहता है, present in a colorless liquid having irritating odor. कैसा ऑर्डर रहता है? Irritating odor. And higher carboxylic acid means higher carboxylic acid above 9 carbon are colorless, odorless, wax-like solid and low volatility. मतलब volatile nature उसका क्या रहता है? कम रहता है. It cannot volatile easily. Right? So this is all regarding the physical properties or the physical state. So we can say that formaldehyde is present in a gaseous state having irritating odor. Acetaldehyde is a volatile colorless liquid. Higher aldehyde having pleasant odor. Acetone are liquid at room temperature also having pleasant odor. Higher ketone are blend odor. Lower carboxylic acid up to 9 carbon are odorless liquid having irritating odor, and higher carboxylic acid are colorless, odorless, wax-like solid. So these are the physical state. टेस्ट शीट में ज्यादा कुछ नहीं तुमको पढ़ना ही है, जस्ट टेक्स्ट बुक निकालो, इस चीज को क्या करो तुम लोग एक बार रीड कर लो तो तुम्हारा सारा पॉइंट अच्छे से क्या हो जाएगा? क्लियर हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट मूव ऑन द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. Next we can see about the melting point, boiling point of aldehyde and ketones. So melting and boiling point of aldehyde and ketone are higher compared to the hydrocarbon due to dipole-dipole interaction. Now we already see that the aldehyde and ketone consist of dipole-dipole interaction, and in simple hydrocarbon the only one weak van der Waals force are present, and we know that the dipole-dipole interaction are stronger compared to the van der Waals force. So hence we can say that aldehyde and ketone having higher melting and boiling point compared to the hydrocarbon, but it having less melting and boiling point compared to the acid. Now why? Because acid consists of hydrogen bonding, and hydrogen bonding are stronger compared to the dipole-dipole interaction, as we know, and that's why we can say that the aldehyde and ketone having higher melting and boiling point compared to इसके compare से hydrocarbon, but less melting and boiling point compared to the, we can say that, acid. Now among aldehydes, if we consider as number of carbon atom increase, obviously जैसे से carbon atom बढ़ेगा mass of the molecule increases, and if mass increases obviously surface area increases. Surface area increases, intermolecular forces means we can say that van der Waals force goes on increases, and And hence, if van der Waals force goes up, dipole-dipole interaction hai. Along with that, van der Waals force also introduced, and as surface area increases, melting and boiling point increases. You just see the here. It consists of only one carbon, melting point 252. It consists of two carbon, melting point 294. It consists of three. As number of carbon atom increases, you just see melting and boiling point goes on increases due to increase in surface area. Carbon बढ़ेगा, surface area बढ़ेगा, van der Waals force बढ़ेगा, dipole-dipole interaction वही रहेगा, but साथ में van der Waals force बढ़ेगा, and hence we can say that melting and boiling point increases. Same is applicable for the ketone also. Ketone के लिए भी यही क्या रहेगा, applicable रहेगा. Right? एक important point यहाँ तुमको बताना चाहता हूँ. As branching increases, as we discuss in alcohol में जो था वही था. As branching increases, melting and boiling point automatically क्या हो जाएगा तुम्हारा वहाँ पे decrease हो जाएगा, because जितना हम लोग branching करेंगे उतना surface area क्या रहेगा तुम्हारा कम होते जाएगा. जैसे यहाँ पे देखो example दिया. One, it consists of, you just see here. You just see here. This example you can consider. Here it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. You just count it. Here the number of carbon is 5. Here also it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is another one, fifth one. Here it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here you just see all these 5 carbon. Its molecular formula same. That's why they are called as isomeric. But in this molecule here, it consists of more amount of surface area. This is the amount of surface area. Here it consists of comparatively less amount of surface area, and here it consists of comparatively less amount of surface area. Means we can say that for isomeric aldehyde and ketone, as surface area increases, melting and boiling point increases, and hence it having more surface area. So we can say that this point in this way, as branching increases. यहाँ पे देखो branch increase हो रहा है. यहाँ 5 carbon, यहाँ पे 1 branching, यहाँ 2 branching. So as branch for isomeric, ऐसे नहीं ले सकते. For isomeric aldehyde and ketone, as branching increases, melting and boiling point decreases. So this is all regarding melting and boiling point of aldehyde and ketones. I hope you can understand the melting and boiling point of aldehyde and ketones. Now next move on the melting and boiling point of acid. Next हम लोग किसकी तरफ move करते हैं, acid की तरफ. So here you see acid having higher boiling point than hydrocarbon, ether, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone due to presence of hydrogen bonding. We already explained it. Acid consists of hydrogen bonding. So acid में majority of cases consists of hydrogen bonding, and that's why its melting point is always higher compared to the hydrocarbon. Its melting and boiling point always higher compared to the ether, from alcohol, aldehyde, ketone as well as oil. Right? And the ether acid having one special tendency that it can exist in the form of dimer. Is form में रहता है dimer. We just see the structure of dimer here. How the acid always exists in the form of dimer. So we just take the 2 carboxylic acid, R C double bond OH. This is the one carboxylic acid. You just see the another carboxylic acid, C double bond OH. That's it. So hydrogen atom of this acid can form hydrogen bond with the oxygen of this acid, and hydrogen atom of this can form hydrogen bonding with this. And that's why these two molecules can exist together, and that is called as formation of dimer. इसको क्या formation बोलते हैं, dimer. और molecule में जहां पे भी dimer form होता है means its number of carbon atom increases, and if number of carbon atom increases, automatically surface area increases, and if surface area increases, melting and boiling point increases. So the carboxylic acid having special tendency that it can exist in the form of dimer, and hence its melting and boiling point are always higher. ठीक है, इसका melting and boiling point हमेशा क्या रहता है, higher. तो dimer कैसे form होता है समझ में आ गया. Now you can change the R group. R group change करके हम लोग कोई भी acid को वहां prepare कर सकते हैं. तो this is all about the dimerization. Right? तो liquid phase carboxylic acid form dimer. तो यहाँ पे point को underline कर लो. Liquid phase carboxylic acid form dimer. This double the size of molecule. Molecule का size क्या करता है, double, and then hence resulting increase in intermolecular van der Waals force, which increase in boiling point. So यहाँ पे नीचे एक एग्जांपल देखो दिया हुआ है. You just see here it consists of only one carbon atom. You just see it consists of two carbon atom. It consists of three. It consists of four. It consists of five. So we see as number of carbon atom increases, boiling point increases on number of carbon atom increases. Why? Due to increase in van der Waals force. उसमें hydrogen bonding है, but along with that it can increase van der Waals force, right? So I hope you can understand the melting boiling point of aldehyde ketone as well as acid we compare with the other functional group also. So as you see, already explained relative strength of intermolecular force. सबसे strong कौन सा है? Hydrogen bonding, then dipole and then van der Waals, right? Carboxylic acid में क्या रहता है? Hydrogen bonding as well as alcohol, but hydrogen bonding in carboxylic acid is stronger compared to alcohol. Dipole किस में रहता है? It is present in ketone and aldehyde, and van der Waals force present in ether and alkanes, that is hydrocarbon. And that's hence carboxylic acid having higher melting and boiling point compared to alcohol, alcohol having higher compared to ketone and aldehyde having higher melting and boiling point compared to ether and hydrocarbon. So this is all regarding relative strength of intermolecular force. ठीक है, सारे पॉइंट हमने अल्कोहल में भी डिस्कस किया था, यहाँ फिर से इसको डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. Next we can move on the solubility of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. So next we can discuss about the solubility of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. So all aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, all molecule having ability to form hydrogen bonding with water. वो सब वाटर के साथ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग कर सकते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से दैट चाहे aldehyde हो, चाहे ketone हो, चाहे तुम्हारा carboxylic acid हो, all are soluble in water. Here you just see this is the aldehydic group or ketonic group, here carbonyl group. When it form hydrogen, what is the water molecule? So water molecule का hydrogen, this hydrogen of water molecule can form hydrogen bonding with oxygen of this carbonic molecule, right? The oxygen और hydrogen के बीच में क्या form हो रहा है? There is a formation of hydrogen bond between this oxygen and this hydrogen, right? So there is a hydrogen bonding between aldehyde, ketone with water, and here you just see this is the carboxylic acid. Here you just see this C double bond OH group, it can form hydrogen bonding with this hydrogen. So there is a formation of hydrogen bonding. So aldehyde and ketone both have, as well as acid, all these three functional group having ability to form hydrogen bonding with the water, and hence they are soluble. Now let's see the other point. Oxygen atom of carbonyl group involved in hydrogen bonding with, here just oxygen atom of carbonyl group involved in hydrogen bonding with water, hence lower aldehyde ketones are soluble in water. As molecular mass increases, solubility decreases due to increase in non-polar hydrocarbon part. So जैसे जैसे number of carbon atom बढ़ेगा, वैसे वैसे solubility decrease होते जाएगा, because hydrocarbon does not show polarity, and that hence it can produce steric hindrance between carbonyl group and water molecule, and hence as the number of carbon atom increases, solubility goes on decreases. In case of acid, up to 4 carbon atom, C4, acids are soluble in water due to formation of hydrogen bonding. As the number of carbon atom increases, non-polar hydrocarbon part increases, and hence solubility goes on decreases. Right? So I hope you can understand the concept of solubility of aldehyde, ketone and acid. Similarly, we can say about the benzoic acid. Benzoic acid are practically insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvent, because benzoic acid always is in the form of dimerization, and hence it somewhat due to steric crowding or the bulky nature, does not dissolve in water, but it can soluble in solvent like ether, alcohol and benzene. इसके साथ soluble रहता है, it can soluble with the ether, it can soluble with alcohol, and it can soluble with benzene, right? So this is all regarding physical properties of aldehyde, ketone and acid. First we can discuss about the intermolecular force, then we can discuss about the states, then we can discuss about the melting and boiling point, and lastly we can discuss about the solubility. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी उतना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है, दैट्स हमने उस पे ज्यादा उतना फोकस नहीं किया हुआ है। मेन अल्डिहाइड कीटोन कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में इसके रिएक्शन सीखने की, हमको बाकी चीज पढ़ने के लिए पूछने के लिए वहां पे कुछ रहता नहीं है, बट स्टिल इट इज प्रेजेंट इन सिलेबस, दैट्स इट्स माय ड्यूटी टू एक्सप्लेन ऑल दिस थिंग्स, राइट। तो आई होप यू कैन एंजॉय द वीडियो। आज उतना मजा भी नहीं आएगा, मुझे भी पता है, क्योंकि पीपीटी में पढ़ाना और ब्लैक में पढ़ाने में बहुत फर्क है, बट वही चीज डबल करने से अच्छा है कि हम लोग वहां पे उसको अच्छे से समझ लिए हैं। So dear students, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, that is SR Academy of Chemistry, right? And keep updating yourself, right? मैं बहुत सारे वीडियो तुम्हारे लिए लाते रहूंगा. Please share with your friends also, those who are really need, right? Now I am also uploading video of 9th standard, 10th, 11th as well as 12th. So अगर तुम्हारे कोई भाई बहन होंगे, कोई तुम्हारे फ्रेंड सर्कल में होंगे, तो प्लीज उसको भी सब्सक्राइब करने बोलो। जितना सब्सक्रिप्शन बढ़ेगा उतना मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा और मैं उतने ज्यादा अच्छे वीडियो तुम्हारे लिए लाते रहूंगा। सो आज हम लोग यही पे स्टॉप करते हैं। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।